Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I'll be showing you how to do your brows. Here are the tools you're going to need. You're going to need a brow pencil, a double dual brush with a spoolie and a flat tip, and some concealer, and some brow pomade, and a flat brush to curve out your eyebrows with. So I start off by using the brush to brush my eyebrows in the place that I want them to go in once I add the product. So now I'm just adding the pomade. I'm filling in the tail of my eyebrow. As you can see that as I'm filling it in, I'm like rolling an arch into them. So when you get to the top of the eyebrow, you want to do short, light strokes because you don't want the brows to be too boxy. So now I'm just taking the spoolie and getting some of that product at the top of my brow. Yeah, so I'm continuing on filling it in. And now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze that's closer to my skin tone, and a flat Morphe brush. So for this part, you want to start underneath your eyebrow and work your way up so that if you mess up, you can go back in and fill it in. So now I'm just carving it out, giving it that arch effect. That's the purpose of the concealer. It's supposed to conceal any little hairs that you have left over. This is a good trick if you need your eyebrows arched really bad. You just go get some pomade, get a Morphe brush, and get some concealer, and you conceal them bad boys and cover all that hair up until you can make it to the salon and get your eyebrows arched, girlfriend. Yeah, so now I'm just carving out the top of the brow using that same brush and that same concealer. Still concealing and perfecting that arch. See the difference? It seems like I just got my eyebrows arched and they look, can see the difference from my natural eyebrow to what I just did. Is the complete total difference. And now I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. brow pencil, and I'm just gonna lightly go in my eyebrow to mix those two different browns together to give it the ombre effect. So now I'm just like cleaning up the edges. And now I'm taking this fluffy Morphe brush and blending in that concealer. You see how it matches my skin tone perfectly? So this is what, if I was doing an eyeshadow, I would use a lighter concealer for my eyelids, but the same concealer I'm using now for the top portion of my eyebrow. So I'm just lightly blending it in. Yes, get it, girlfriend. And then I just go in and like darken it up. Some of the color that may have got lost from the concealer as I was buffing it out. Then I'm just gonna buff away. And now you see the difference. And that's how you get the perfect brow, ladies. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share it. If I've taught you anything from this video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.